ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಟು ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. And this episode is exclusive episode for adult spoken Kannada learners. It's not mandatory to be adults. Anyone who wants to learn Kannada, spoken Kannada, how to speak, the conversational, colloquial version of it. So, ಇಲ್ಲಿ the series name is called as Matukate. I have named my series as a Matukate, which means conversations. Yes, we are dealing with the conversations, your long time wish to learn the conversation in the easiest way. So I tried so many different ways to get the lessons, to prepare the lessons, to schedule the lessons, and finally I'm with this one. Will time being, we'll see how this works. Based on this, we'll plan for the few more conversation set. So today our conversation. So conversation is very important. So there is a person with you who speaks in Kannada, or you go to somewhere, you have a auto driver, cab driver, you have a colleague in your office, you have a friend in your school, college, or you have a patient and you are a doctor, you are a lawyer, you have a client who speaks Kannada. So there can be n number of reasons, n number of scenarios where we come up with the Kannada speaking, where we come up with the conversations. Here, the first topic of ours is a very, very simple one I have chosen. So there will be two scenarios here. I want to use a singular version and the respected version, but I don't want to take it with the same example, so I'm trying to take a different example. So you have two different scenarios here. The first scenario only, it's a singular version where a friend, you are talking to your friend. So it's a conversation between friend matte friend jote conversation ide. So your friend arrives in Bangalore and you have a conversation. So one the friend jotege, and one more is with your colleague, and one more with his colleague. So it can be colleague, it can be stranger, it can be your friend, it can be your manager, it can be your professor, it can be your patient, it can be your client, whatever it is. Our scenario dalli you can fix with this the one. So because this will be respected version ali irutte and idu singular ali irutte because it's with a friend. So friend andre we already have that leniency with them alva. That's why we have two scenarios here. So first let's look into the friend scenario. Check manana. This will be very simple. I know most of you will give me the answer. Only there can be a few places where you can tweak and change. Okay. The first one, hey, how are you? Hey, how are you? And most importantly, so whatever I write on the board, you can copy it down in your book. Illa andre at the end of the video, you have a picture. I'll attach the picture where you can use it after the video for a reference. Not now. Don't jump it right now. Use it after the video. Okay, na? Fine. So, hey, how are you? We know how is Hege. How is Hege? Alva? So this is how I write Hege. So there is an extension if I write a line on the top of a letter. Okay, I'm really sorry for the background noise. Hege, you can use hey antane use ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Hey, singular version. ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀಯಾ? 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 I don't always tell ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀಯಾ. ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀಯಾ ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀಯಾ? ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀಯಾ? ಹೇಗಿದ್ಯಾ? ಸೊ ಸಿ ಈ ಹೋಯ್ತು. ಹೇಗಿದ್ಯಾ? ಹೇಗಿದ್ಯಾ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಅಟ್ ದ ಎಂಡ್, ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಕೊಲೋಕಿಯಲ್ ವರ್ಷನ್ ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ. ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಗ, ಗುರು. ಹೇಗಿದ್ಯಾ ಮಗ? ಹೇಗಿದ್ಯಾ ಗುರು? ಹೇಗಿದ್ಯೋ ಮೇಲ್, ಹೇಗಿದ್ಯೇ ಫಿಮೇಲ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ವರ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಬಿ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ at the end. So you can copy it down ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ. ಹೇಗಿದ್ಯೋ, ಹೇಗಿದ್ಯೇ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಫೀಮೇಲ್ಗೆ, ಇದು ಮೇಲ್ಗೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಇದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಮಗ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗುರು, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಬೋತ್ ಫೀಮೇಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೇಲ್ಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನೋ ವರೀಸ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ದ ಸೇಮ್ ವರ್ಡ್, ಸಿ ಒಂದೇ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಇನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ವೇಸ್ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಯೋರ್ ಕಂಫರ್ಟ್ ಝೋನ್. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಬೇಕು ನೀವು ಆ ಥರ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಂಫರ್ಟಬಲ್. ಐ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಗಿವ್ ಅ ಪಾಸ್. Pause the screen, make a note, we'll go for the next one. Okay, next one ಹೋಗೋಣ. So I already told you the situation is your friend arrives in Bangalore. So that is the situation. So our situation prakarane we are working out. My second sentence is when did you come to India or Bangalore? When did you come to Bengaluru? So I know that we will say Bengaluru, not Bangalore. So Bengaluru antanu helala, Bengaluru. So on the top of the letter, if I put a line, it's an extension, remember, okay na? Bangalore. So how do I say? When did you come to Bangalore? What is when? When is yavaga? When is yavaga? So colloquial version ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಾನು I won't say, I'll write it first. Bangalore gay, which is very important, which give a meaning to Delhi gay, India gay, Bangalore gay, MG Road gay, office gay, college gay, school gay, bus stand gay, railway station gay, airport gay. So gay is very, very important. Please make a note. Okay na? Bangalore gay, yavaga, I'm taking the same one, yavaga, bande. So not bantu. Bantu is for animals. Okay, male bantu, current bantu, internet bantu, bill bantu. Okay, so yavaga bande. So is yavaga ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವಾಗ ಬಂದೆ. So this is my colloquial version which I'll use always. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬಂದೆ. ಸೊ ಗೆ ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು, ಗ್. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬಂದೆ, ಓಕೆನಾ? ಹೇಗಿದ್ಯಾ, ಹೇಗಿದ್ಯೋ. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬಂದೆ, ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಗಿವ್ ಅ ಪಾಸ್, ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ಮೇಕ್ ಅ ನೋಟ್. Okay, we'll go with the next one. We have done 2 sentences. I hope you are getting comfortable now. Try to understand, try to go with the sentence whichever is comfortable for you. Okay, we'll go with the next one. How did you come? How did you come? Flight, bus or train? Okay, I'm just writing it as it is because spoken version only we don't always use the sentences. We quickly ask the question. So how did you come? How is we know? ಹೇಗ್ ಬಂದೆ. This one is very simple. Flighta, bassa, traina. So the is very important. Bassa, traina, flighta, heg bande. How did you come? So this is very simple. So there is no alternative for this one. Ishtene. Okay, that is a question. You should end with the question note. Flighta, bassa, traina. Change your body tone. Change your body language. Heg bande. Bassa, traina, ಫ್ಲೈಟಾ, ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂದೆ. ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸೇ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್, ಯಾವುದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದೆ, ಇನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಯು ಕೇಮ್. ಯಾವುದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ, ಇನ್ ವಿಚ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು. ಯಾವುದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದೆ. ಅಗೇನ್, ನಾಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಐ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಬೋರ್ಡ್, ಇಟ್ ವೋಂಟ್ ಬಿ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? If you want to make a note, okay? Pause ಮಾಡಿ note ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. We'll go for the next one. So we have done 3 sentences. Hey, how are you? When did you come to Bangalore? How did you come? Flight, bus or a train? So this was my 3 sentences. Ivaga we'll go for the next one. How is everyone at home? How is everyone at home? So at home, ಮನೆ is a home. ಮನೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ in or at. ಮನೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, everyone. ಎಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ is different, ಎಲ್ಲ is a different. ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. It's a common one. I'll do a little tweak here. ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದಾರಾ? So this is how I asked my friend, hey, ಮನೇಲೆಲ್ಲ ಓಕೆನಾ? ಮನೇಲೆಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದಾರಾ? Is everyone good at home? So even though my question is how is everyone at home, I can tweak and I can see, which is completely fine. So what was the first one? The first one was ಮನೇಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So this was my first one. ಮನೇಲೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So how are they? So this is the first one. My second option, I'll go with this option because I am asking to my friend. I'm speaking to my friend. ಮನೇಲೆಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದಾರಾ ಕಣೋ? ಮನೇಲೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಹೇಗೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಮನೇಲೆಲ್ಲರೂ? ಹೇಗೋ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಮನೇಲೆಲ್ಲರೂ? ಸೊ ಹೇಗೋ, ಹೇಗೆ, ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟ್ವೀಕ್ ದೇರ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ವೆಲ್. ಸೊ ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಫೈನ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಮನೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಮನೇಲ್. ಮನೇಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದಾರಾ? ಮನೇಲೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಓಕೆನಾ? ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಕಂಫರ್ಟಬಲ್? ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್. ಸೊ ಹೇಗೋ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಮನೇಲೆಲ್ಲ, ಹೇಗೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಮನೇಲೆಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತಾರೆ, it doesn't follow any kind of a grammar structure, but we can still speak. Okay, so any doubt illi, you can just let me know in the comment section. I know you can't ask right now. Okay, so give a pause and copy down immediately. We'll go for, we have another 2 more sentences to finish with the singular version. After we will be going with the plural form, which is the respectable form. So next question enide, next question is, did you have your breakfast? So you are meeting your friend not directly at the airport. ಸೊ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಫ್ಯೂ ಡೇಸ್ ಅವ್ನು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅವ್ರು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಫ್ಯೂ ಡೇಸ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ, ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಫ್ಯೂ ಡೇಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಯೋರ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್? ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ನೋ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ. ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ತಿಂಡಿ. I can also call snacks as a tindi, which is fine, and breakfast is also tindi. I can make it very simple. Tindi aita. Tindi aita. ನಿನ್ ತಿಂಡಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Or I can say, ತಿಂಡಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ ನಿಂದು? I've given you 3 versions. Whichever you are comfortable, ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ತಗೋಬೋದು. ತಿಂಡಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಕಾಫಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಮದುವೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಟ್ರಿಪ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಬುಕ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ, ಈ ಥರ ಕೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಹೋಗ್ಯಾ, ಕ್ಯಾ, ಆಯ್ಚಾ in Tamil. So only I am good in with these 2 languages, so I am taking a reference of these 2 languages. Okay, pause ಮಾಡಿ, make a note. We'll go for the last sentence. Okay, I'll write it down here itself. My last sentence is, so what's today plan, or what is today's plan? What's today's plan? ಇವತ್ತು ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಏನು? ಇವತ್ತು ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ಇಸ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ದ ಟುಡೇ ಅಂತ, ಬಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಇವತ್ತು, ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಪೋಕನ್ ವರ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಏನು ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್. ಇವತ್ತು ಏನು ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಏನು? ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಏನು? ಸೊ ವಿ ಲರ್ನ್ಡ್ 3 different 3 questioning words. ಹೇಗೆ, ಯಾವಾಗ, ಏನು. ಇವತ್ತು ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಏನು? ಏನು ಇವತ್ತು ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್? ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಫೈನ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಂಫರ್ಟಬಲ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡನ್ 6 sentences. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಔಟ್. ಹೇ, ಹೌ ಆರ್ ಯು? ಹೇ, ಹೇಗಿದ್ಯಾ? ಹೇಗಿದ್ಯಾ ಮಗ? ವೆನ್ ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ಕಮ್ ಟು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು? ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬಂದೆ? ಹೌ ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ಕಮ್? ಫ್ಲೈಟ್, ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಆರ್ ಬಸ್? ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಯೋ? ಫ್ಲೈಟಾ, ಬಸ್ಸಾ, ಟ್ರೈನಾ? ಹೌ ಇಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ಅಟ್ ಹೋಮ್? ಮನೇಲೆಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದಾರಾ? ಹೌ ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಯುವರ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್? ತಿಂಡಿ ಆಯಿತಾ? ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ಟುಡೇಸ್ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್? ಇವತ್ತೇನು ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್? ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಈಸಿ? ಎಸ್, ಐ ನೋ ಇಟ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಸೋ ಈಸಿ, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೈಟ್ ಬಿ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ for you to practice. So after this video, you have a picture. So please revise carefully, and you can send me your audio recordings if you want if you want someone to review it to my Instagram channel. So Instagram channel with the same name. So you already know, I guess, Yashasvi Kannada Vani. Just type it there. You'll get my Instagram channel. You can send it to there. Okay, na? So we'll go with the one more. Don't go anywhere. We have one more. So which is the respected version jotege madodu. This will be very easy if you have written the first one with a friend, the second one will become easy. I'm sorry for the background noise. It's a Saturday, kids are playing. So first one, hello, how are you? I'll write it only in Kannada. Hello, I'll go with the same. ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? 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 I'll make it simple. I don't want to say ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀಯಾ. Hello, ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? With a gentle smile. ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Yes. When did you come to Bangalore? ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬಂದ್ರಿ? ಯಾವಾಗ ಬಂದ್ರಿ? ಯಾವಾಗ ಬಂದ್ರಿ? ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬಂದೆ. ಸೊ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬಂದ್ರಿ? ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬಂದ್ರಿ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಹೌ ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ಕಮ್? ಸೊ ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರಿ? ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರಿ? ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರಿ? ಫ್ಲೈಟಾ? ಬಸ್ಸಾ? ಟ್ರೈನಾ? Same thing. So since my question is for a stranger or for a person who wants to go with the respected version, your tone will change completely naturally. Okay, na? We'll go for the next one. How is everyone at home? ಮನೇಲೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದಾರಾ? ಆರ್ ಮನೇಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ? So now I'll go with this one. ಮನೇಲೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಮನೇಲೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಹೌ ಆರ್ ದೇ? ಮನೇಲೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ತಿಂಡಿ ಆಯಿತಾ ನಿಮ್ಮದು? ತಿಂಡಿ ಆಯಿತಾ ನಿಮ್ಮದು? ಆರ್ ನಿಮ್ಮದು ತಿಂಡಿ ಆಯಿತಾ? ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. ಇವತ್ತು ಏನು ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್? ಇವತ್ತು ಏನು ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್? See? This is how. Now I'll say the first one. Hey, ಹೇಗಿದ್ಯಾ ಮಗ? ಹೆಲೋ, ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬಂದ್ಯೋ? ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬಂದ್ರಿ? ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಯೋ? ಫ್ಲೈಟಾ? ಬಸ್ಸಾ? ಟ್ರೈನಾ? ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರಿ? ಫ್ಲೈಟಾ? ಬಸ್ಸಾ? ಟ್ರೈನಾ? ಮನೇಲೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಗಿದ್ದಾರೋ? ಆರ್ ಮನೇಲೆಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದಾರಾ? ಮನೇಲೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ತಿಂಡಿ ಆಯಿತಾ ನಿಮ್ಮದು? ತಿಂಡಿ ಆಯಿತಾ ನಿಮ್ಮದು? ನಿಮ್ಮದು. ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸೇ ತಿಂಡಿ ಆಯಿತಾ ಮಗ. ದರ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. ಇವತ್ತು ಏನು ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್? ಇವತ್ತೇನು ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನು? ಇವತ್ತೇನು ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನೇ? ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಟ್ವೀಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಮೇಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫೀಮೇಲ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ದ ಮಾತುಕತೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ episode, the first lesson of a matukati, conversation between a friend and conversation between a colleague, or it can be anyone. So one is a singular version, one is a respected version. So after this you have a photo. Please go check it out, write it down in your book. Doubt idre, questions idre, do let me know in the comment section. I wanted to make it as simple as easy for you and not to put too much of information in one video, and also at the same time it should be worth for you to sit and understand, connect. I've given you multiple options where to use and what to use, how differently you can use the sentences. So please make a use of it when you are using it. Matadi ನೀವು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, only when you speak more, ನಿಮಗೆ easy ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. It will be easy for you. Okay na? So thank you so much. I'll see you tomorrow. So mostly the spoken Kannada lessons will be there on weekend, so Saturday and Sunday. So this is what the schedule for another 2 more months. So Saturday Sundays videos irutte, weekly 2 videos will be there. So next class ali tomorrow, today is Saturday, I have uploaded the video on Saturday. So tomorrow, Sunday, I'll be uploading one more video. We'll see what we have in tomorrow lesson. So thank you so much. Please share with your friends who loves to learn Kannada and who are eagerly waiting for someone to do the videos on Kannada. Please share ಮಾಡಿ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ, and it will be very helpful for me also to understand, and it will help me to give you better lessons in future. Thank you so much. See you in next video. ನಾಳೆಗೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.